Runaway Homestead. I'm Perry. Glad you're here. We're getting ready to head out for the HOA tomorrow. Get rid of some of the glare of that light. Heading out early tomorrow morning, and just going to show you a little bit of what I've been up to so we can get a video out there. I'm not able to do any editing. Well, I'm sure I can from my phone, but I'm not able to post on my page. It will not let me switch accounts from my personal account to my Runaway Homestead account. Anyhow, I'll show you a couple of things I've been doing here. I have been making spurtles and dibblers because I found out that we are to set up at a holiday bazaar, so I got to get these done. I got to do some pins, some more rings, some ornaments. So I'm going to be busy the next month. And with this vlog, I'm going to run through and give you all several updates on stuff. So from the shop, now we're going to move to the pond. Some of you've seen, you know, I've been doing a whole bunch of rock work out here. And sorry, move that a little quick. And also been working on putting down some bentonite to work on a leak. We finally got some rain. My pond actually came up about a foot the other night. I want to see if I can find some bentonite in a couple of these bags to show you what it looks like. I believe I showed it spread on the bank, but I didn't show it up close. Take that back. I did. I think I showed you all what the bentonite looked like when it was in the bucket of the tractor. Here's a little bit on the ground right here. It just looks like gravel. Looks like small rock. This is starting to dry out a little, but it swells and it gets really slippery. I put 500 pounds on, and I'm gonna continue to add more, especially as I see how sparse this is. There we go. You can see down there a little bit better as to how it spreads out. And it plugs holes. So I am really crossing my fingers on this because I'm determined to get this thing to hold water. It does help when we have more rain and not at over 2 months of drought, because I've seen a lot of ponds everywhere down. Anyhow, there's a couple of updates there. I got one more to do as I head back to the house, so I'll see you down there. What we have going on here. Kim getting everything prepped before we head to Virginia, and she got a friend riding along. And then we got, well, Ellie Mae, of course. But look at Birdzilla here. Their feet are huge. So we'll be getting, well, you know what we'll be doing when we get back from Virginia. Okay, one more stop. This. These are cuttings I took about a month ago. This is my first time trying to propagate something. And I really thought that all of this was my blackberries to start, but it looks more like my elderberries. And I did it with willow water. And pretty surprised that some of them, I've just left them alone, and I'm still getting some new growth showing up. So that is really cool. Man, look what I walked in the house to. Oatmeal raisin. Cool. Okay, I'm heading into the editing room so I can get this out. Plan on heading out probably 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. and I can't escape the light. And hope to see some of you there. Have a good evening and a good weekend.